Hey guys, what's up? It's Natasha here. Today's video we are going to review the BOXY charm. So I saw this on Instagram and was like, I need to get this because I do a lot of makeup and love skincare. So I thought if I got a box of random stuff every month, then I'll be living. So I don't have my full makeup done right now just because I saw some stuff in the box that I kind of want to try out myself. So for the video, of course. So let's dig in. So this is BOXY charm. You can find them on Instagram. So what you do is you kind of fill out a survey of what kind of stuff you like after you buy the box. You get to fill out like what's your favorite beauty brands, what's your favorite type of makeup, if you like vegan and cruelty-free makeup, which I put on for vegan and cruelty-free, I'm pretty sure, because a lot of my stuff is. And yeah, so it's really cool. They kind of like personalize it to who you are as a person. And I really like that because then you won't get stuff that you're like, I don't even like this stuff, I don't want it. So that's what's cool about that. There's also different boxes you can get. So there's some that are more expensive and you get better, I guess, better products, better, like more high-end. But I was expecting more high-end products when I bought this, and I will show you guys what I got. So here's the box here. You get it like this. It says, hello charmers. So when you open it up, it gives you this little piece of paper, which is really cool because then it shows you like what you got and explains it and tells you how much it actually was. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I'm so excited. Let me show you like the most like weirdest thing that I never thought was a thing. So this is like a little glass container of this vegan Truly Pineapple Haze CBD lip gloss butter. It's 50 milligrams of CBD, pineapple, mango, jojoba oil, vitamin E boost. So cool. And let me open it up. It's like whipped in there. So I don't really know why you would need CBD on your lips, because I know that some people put it on like their neck or whatever they feel pain. But it feels really good, and it tastes like, I know that you can kind of taste, like, obviously because it's on your lips, so it tastes pretty good. Yeah, it smells amazing. So this is pretty cool. I love how it's like whipped and like 2 different colors. Then we have this clean Skin Club face mist. I've never heard of this brand. Oh wait, let me tell you. So that Truly Beauty Pineapple Haze thingy is $16. That's how much it is. So it tells you like how much you're actually getting for the box, because the box is like $45 or something dollars. I did the BOXY charm base, which is 5 full-size products. Pick one item of your choice. 175 average value for $25 a month. And I think I did that for 3 months. But I didn't get to pick a product. I never got to pick one. It says pick one item of your choice, but I didn't. They never sent me like an email about it. So maybe I'm just lost. Anyways, so this is the Clean Skin. Oh, I love the product. Like, I love the boxing and the packaging of this. So cute. Like, and it's glass. Like, this thing's huge. So what you do, you spray this on your face. It has eucalyptus oil, rose extract, salicylic acid. It's like really good for acne prone skin and for blemishes. But I was kind of confused because you shouldn't get salicylic or eucalyptus oil in your eyes. So when you are spraying this on your face, what if it seeps into your eyes when you're just like, gets in there? Like, I don't know, don't really trust that. But I tried it out and I was fine, but I think you just have to be really careful when you do this. So yeah, that's this one. Love the packaging. But I got a tattoo, so if you guys wanted to see that. And this one here. Cute. So here's this one. Iconic London. Which, like, these brands, don't get me wrong, like, everything looks great, but I've never even heard about these brands. Sorry, but Iconic London, never heard of it. Now, this is like blush, bronzing, and highlighter kind of duo. Not really highlighters, but like that could be like a nice kind of highlighter. But I used this bronzer, the really sparkly. I'll show you guys that. This really sparkly one, I used that and I think it looks pretty good. I like it. This would be nice. And the blush, I used a little bit of the blush. Yeah, I guess they sell this stuff at Sephora, but I've just never heard of it. I've never seen anyone really use it. I don't know, maybe I just like don't know the name. I don't know, maybe you guys might know it. But yeah, so this is originally, I don't think they have it on here just because this was like the free one, like the extra. It's like $35 online. And the next thing that I actually think is really, really cool, I got these lashes and glue and a lash like applier from Lava, Los Angeles. I'll give you guys a close-up. This is what it looks like. The lashes are so extreme, so I'm not going to be trying them on today, but definitely going to be using them another time for a makeup look, maybe for Halloween. But this all looks so good. Oh, cute. This is just like a little paper thing. So yeah, very extreme lashes, which is fun because I don't tend to buy these kinds, so it's nice to get some just for free. Not for free, but you know, I didn't pick them out, so. Those ones are $54. And this kit's like, what, $35? So I basically didn't even have to pay for them. Here is some mascara. All Night Bender Black Rockins Cosmetics. It's $29. It's vegan, cruelty free. It's supposed to make your lashes look really, really long. I'll show you guys the packaging. And the bristles are a little weird, like, what? That's not my favorite kind of bristles, but we're gonna give it a try today. That's why I didn't put mascara on, because I wanted to try this in the camera. Let's show off the tattoo while we do this, okay? So my lashes are already like super long, so don't think that this is the reason why they're long. This mascara is really not making them look any like longer than like their Real Benefit mascara makes my lashes so long. It feels a little dry, if I do say so myself. I'm doing another coat here. I'm not really used to like a small brush like this, but it's kind of nice to get like every individual lash. Like it looks like it's really getting every individual lash there. Okay, so this is 3 coats later. They look really long and very individual. Like they're not like clumped together, which is really nice. I'll give you guys like a close-up here. So I like it, but I would definitely choose their Real mascara over this one. I don't know if that one looks really clumpy, but yeah. Last but not least, we have this Exfoliate from Kate Somerville Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. So they gave me the full size. This is with lactic acid and hyaluronic acid. Super cute. I love that little thing, little smiley face there. And that's the packaging, and then you open it up. It had a thing on it, but I took that off, so this is just like a blue looking moisturizer for morning and night. I tried it the other day and it was good, and I like hyaluronic acid because it's very moisturizing. So that is everything that came in my box with BoxyCharm. And I have some more boxes coming for every month, for not like every month this year, but like every month. I think it's 3 or 6 months I did. But let me know if you guys want more videos on me unpackaging them. I will do more whenever I get them, because it was a fun little quick video showing you guys what I got, just in case you guys wanted to buy one of these boxes. But yeah, I'd recommend this box to anyone who really likes to surprise and likes getting gifts and pretending that you didn't pay for it, because I do. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you want to see more or you liked it. Comment down below if you're gonna buy any boxes and what you got, and if you actually got any high-end products, because these aren't really like products like name brands that you would see like Fenty or Anastasia or something like that. Like I want to see some more of those in my next boxes, so stay tuned for that. Okay, bye guys. I'll see you guys in my next video.